Welcome to our home workout routines guide. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a beginner, or just someone looking to stay active from home, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive into some of the best full body workouts you can do right in your living room, bedroom, or any small space, without the need for any fancy gym equipment. Before we get started, remember, the most important part of any workout is your mindset and consistency. You don't need a large space or high-end equipment to stay fit. All you need is some motivation, out of creativity, and your body weight. Let's begin. Section 1. Warm up. Every great workout starts with a warm-up. A good warm-up helps to increase your heart rate, loosen up muscles, and prepare your body for more intense activity. Let's start with a quick 5-minute warm-up routine. Warm-up routine script. Jumping jacks 30 seconds. Start with jumping jacks to get your blood flowing. This is an excellent way to warm up your whole body quickly. Arm circles 30 seconds. Next, let's move on to arm circles. Extend your arms out to the sides and make small, controlled circles, both forwards and backwards. This will loosen up your shoulders and get your upper body ready for movement. Leg swings 30 seconds per leg. For lower body flexibility, we'll do leg swings. Hold onto a wall or sturdy surface, and swing one leg forward and backward to stretch out your hips and hamstrings. Switch legs after 30 seconds. Torso twists 30 seconds. Finish off with some torso twists to activate your core and loosen up your spine. Great job on the warm-up. Now that your body is ready, let's move on to the main workout. Section 2. Full body home workout. Routine. We're going to dive into a full body workout routine that hits all major muscle groups: your legs, arms, core, and back. Each exercise will last for 45 seconds, followed by a 15-second rest. Remember to focus on form and take your time. Ready? Let's go. Bodyweight squats 45 seconds. We'll start with bodyweight squats to target your legs and glutes. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Squat down as if sitting in a chair, and then rise back up. Make sure your knees don't go past your toes. Push-ups 45 seconds. Next up, push-ups. Get into a plank position, with your hands slightly wider than your shoulders. Lower yourself down until your chest almost touches the ground, and then push back up. If this is too challenging, feel free to drop to your knees. Plank hold 45 seconds. For the core, we'll do a plank hold. Keep your body in a straight line, elbows directly under your shoulders, and hold the position. This exercise is great for building core stability. Reverse lunges 45 seconds. Now for reverse lunges to strengthen your legs and improve balance. Step one foot back into a lunge, keeping your front knee over your ankle. Alternate legs, and maintain a steady pace. Mountain climbers 45 seconds. We're picking up the intensity with mountain climbers. Start in a high plank position, then bring one knee toward your chest and quickly alternate legs as if you're running in place. Glute bridges 45 seconds. Next, glute bridges to work your lower back and glutes. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips toward the ceiling and squeeze your glutes at the top. Lower back down and repeat. Triceps dips 45 seconds. For your arms, we're doing triceps dips. Sit on the edge of a sturdy chair or bench, hands on the edge beside your hips. Slide off the chair and bend your elbows to lower yourself down, then push back up to target the back of your arms. Bicycle crunches 45 seconds. Finally, we'll wrap up with bicycle crunches to really work the core. Lie on your back, lift your legs, and alternate bringing opposite knees to elbows, simulating a pedaling motion. Great job! You've completed the workout. If you're up for it, Feel free to repeat this circuit 2 to 3 times for a more intense session. Section 3. Cool down and stretch. No workout is complete without a proper cool down. Stretching helps to relax your muscles, improve flexibility, and prevent soreness. After your workout, let's go through a few stretches. Standing forward, fold 30 seconds. Start by standing tall, then slowly fold forward, reaching for your toes. Let your head hang and feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Child's pose 30 seconds. For a relaxing stretch, move into child's pose. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, and reach your arms forward, lowering your chest toward the ground. Cat-cow stretch 30 seconds. On all fours, move between cat-cow stretches to loosen up your spine. Arch your back up like a cat, then dip your belly down and lift your chest for cow pose. Figure 4 stretch 30 seconds per leg. Finish with the figure 4 stretch to open up your hips. Lie on your back, cross one ankle over the opposite knee, and gently pull your legs toward your chest. And that's it. You've successfully completed our home workout routine. Remember, consistency is key. Whether you're squeezing in a quick workout before work or dedicating time on the weekend, these exercises will help you stay fit and healthy without ever leaving your home. Don't forget to subscribe to Body Hub for more home workouts, fitness tips, and motivation. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and share it with friends who are looking for effective home workout routines. See you next time.